Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be creating this beautiful Diwali look with just Sugar Cosmetics products, and I have also teamed up with Sugar Cosmetics for a Diwali giveaway. So stay tuned, I will announce it at the end of this video. So if you want to see how I create this beautiful look with just Sugar Cosmetics products and what is the giveaway, then please keep on watching. Look, let me know if you guys like this or not in the comment section below. Also give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now coming to the giveaway, yes, I have teamed up with Sugar Cosmetics for this Diwali giveaway, and this giveaway is on my Instagram, so go and participate. The winner will get a gift hamper from Sugar Cosmetics worth 2500 rupees. So as I mentioned, this is an Instagram giveaway. I'm going to mention my Instagram page down in the description box below. Go and participate because this is a Diwali giveaway, so Diwali is just right here, so go participate. Anyway, happy Diwali to you all. Stay safe, and yes, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.